Good morning, guys. Welcome to SR Trader. This is Shankar Rathod. Welcome back to another live trading session. Today is 2nd June, and the Bank Nifty has opened almost flat, 65 points minus, and that's the yesterday's low. So I have marked this pattern. It is forming a rising wedge pattern, which is a bearish pattern. So let's see if this breaches upside. I'll go for buy, and if this come down, and I'll wait for retracement and then I'll short. This is my plan for today, and let's wait for markets to decide. So I'll just wait for my opportunity. If there is any big red candle, if it breaks this low, and I'll just wait for some retracement. On retracement I'll short. So as soon as the market opened, it started to fall down. I'll just wait for some retracement. Since I am a naked option buyer, my entry should be very precise, or else I'll lose lot of money. So I am just waiting patiently for my levels to come. I may enter near this moving average on retracement, so that for some downfall. I have not captured the live trade. I'll explain it now. When market fell, I was just waiting for some retracement, but I made a blunder mistake here. See, over here I took a short trade. Suddenly there was a huge short covering, and my MTM losses were almost 2000 rupees. So what did I do? I was definitely knowing that market will definitely reach 50 moving average, so I just added my short position slowly when it started to increase, so that I can average my position. So when it started to move downside, I covered almost all the losses, and my negative started into positive, and I did a 2 scalping trade. At this area I bought one put option, and I booked almost 300 rupees there. And again here, after this area is breached, after this consolidation area is taken out by this big candle, and I bought a call till this area, and I have just booked almost 300 rupees there also. So it was a pretty good day for me, but I definitely do not agree to buy on a small retracement. Just wait for some big retracement and major moving averages. So this is my trade update. So this is the end of my trade today. I'll just update you on tomorrow's trade. So what could be my plan for tomorrow? I'll just mark everything once again on 15 minutes time frame. See, market was making a rising wedge pattern, and it is breached today. So it is taken out today. This area may act as resistance tomorrow. This can be a major resistance tomorrow. So I'll just mark this area as major resistance, this area. So I'll just watch for price action, what the price is behaving there, and I'll move according to that. If it breaks and goes above, I'll wait for some retracement and I'll go long. If it gives any weakness here, I'll go for short, keeping this as my target. This can be my tomorrow's trade plan. Hope you like the video. I hope you like, share and subscribe. Thank you.